Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why you guys should get invested in cryptocurrencies right now, this year, before it's too late. Now, this isn't financial advice. This is just my own opinion based on my own research, and I'm going to give you guys some justification as to why I think this way. So here we go. Now, taking a look at Fiat Link, you could see that Bitcoin is sitting at $52,000, which is under its all-time high. Okay, and that's important because the cryptocurrency market tends to move with Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes up, all the other cryptocurrencies go up as well. Seeing as Bitcoin is still under its all-time high, it means that there's still room to grow. Now, taking a look at the stock market, you could actually see that the stock market is at its all-time highs. In fact, you can see that the stock market's actually been in a bull market for the past, 10 years, probably since 2008, since the great financial crisis. You also have to remember that 2024 is an election year, which means that the stock market most likely will be propped up artificially in order to support the incumbent for re-election. Because the better the market's doing, the better people feel about the person in charge, right? So I don't know if you guys have heard about this guy, Tommy Tuberville, but basically he's a senator from Alabama, and if you take a look at his Quiver Quantitative, which is a site used to track the trades of politicians, he's actually been selling a lot of his positions recently, which to a lot of people it may look like a red flag. Now, the reason it looks so suspicious is because this guy sits on a bunch of different committees that basically would give him inside knowledge to some of the market trends. Now, personally, I don't think it's inside trading or inside knowledge. It might be, but I think he's just using his common sense. I mean, again, look at the stock market. It's been going up for the past 10 years. I think it is time to take some profits, right? And especially anticipating that, let's say this year, the markets will continue to go up. At the end of the year, I would fully expect the markets to come crashing back down. Now, if you've been holding stocks for the past 10 years or whatever, however long you've been holding it, even since the pandemic, I would probably think that you would want to take some profit off the table. And I think we're going to see more people start taking profit as this market tops out. So let's take a look at the cryptocurrency market one more time. And I'm going to explain kind of like a phenomenon that happens in cryptocurrencies. I guess it could happen in any other market as well, but it's more obvious in the cryptocurrency space because it's so new. So anyway, there's this kind of trend that goes on in cryptocurrencies is when Bitcoin pumps, what happens is, let's say it goes up to like $100,000, right? People that were holding Bitcoin, they're going to take their profit and they're going to start putting it into altcoins. Now, if you don't know what an altcoin is, it's anything other than Bitcoin, right? It could be Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, XLM, Algorand, whatever coin you're thinking of, that's technically an altcoin, an alternative coin, right? That's not Bitcoin. So when people take their profit from Bitcoin, they put it into these smaller cryptocurrencies. And so like you have people, let's say you have one Bitcoin and you sell it at $100,000. Now you have $100,000 of profit that you could start putting into various other different cryptocurrencies that aren't worth as much. They're not worth $50,000 or $100,000. They're worth, 10 cents, 20 cents, right? So that's why you kind of see these huge moves in the market, in the cryptocurrency market, where an asset could jump like 25 to 50 to 100 or even like 1,000% in the course of 2 weeks or a month. So that's what I think is going to happen. And I think the opportunity to make the most amount of money is in those coins, right? You have several factors, obviously Bitcoin going up right now, but you also have people selling traditional stocks because, the stock market is at all-time highs. And they're going to look to put their money in other places, right? That is not stocks. It could be precious metals, could be other commodities, or it could even be cryptocurrencies. No matter what the investment vehicle you guys choose, I think 2024 is going to be a good year. And I only pick cryptocurrencies because I think they have the highest potential for gains, right? I think as the S&P and stocks kind of top out, you're going to see a lot of that money go into the cryptocurrency space and exponentially increase the amount of returns that cryptocurrency will give you. We also have the Bitcoin halving coming up, which basically reduces the rewards that miners obtain for mining Bitcoin, which makes the asset even more scarcer. And in previous years, every 4 years when this happens, it increases the price of Bitcoin exponentially. And this is really why I think that cryptocurrency is this place to be. Is you have stocks at all-time highs, you have politicians, and probably other people will follow in selling their traditional stocks. You have the halving coming up, and you have a perfect storm of all the conditions that you would need in order for this asset class to go up. People are also talking about the Federal Reserve lowering interest rates and turning on the money printer, which is again another kind of boon for cryptocurrencies and risk assets in general. So again, this is not financial advice. This is just my own opinion based off of my own knowledge and what I see in the market. And just let me know what you guys think. Do you guys agree with me, or do you think that I'm totally off base here? And share your comments down below. And don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.